2020 has finally gone. 2021, a new year has dawned. Last year has been difficult, chaotic and tragic. Let's pray 2021 is full of laughter and magic. May this year bring good health, happiness and cheer to everyone. Wishing all of you a very happy new year, my dear boys. I hope all of you all have enjoyed your short Christmas break. And now, welcome to your first craft class of the year. I'm back with yet another craft project for you. Today, we are going to make a kind of toy out of paper. I'm going to teach you to make this chatty little frog. Here, I have made another one in a different shade of green. So now, without wasting any further time, let us quickly go through the list of materials that we'll need to make this article. First of all, we'll need a green computer printer paper. We'll also need white paper and a little bit of red paper. We'll need a ruler, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a black sketch pen and Fevicol. I have taken the green paper and I'm going to draw a square measuring 16 centimeters. Note, I have not started drawing from the middle of the paper but from the corner. I am doing this because it will be much easier for you to draw as well as cut the square. Here I have marked 16 centimeters horizontally. Now I'll mark 16 centimeters vertically. Again I am marking 16 centimeters horizontally. And now 16 centimeters vertically. I am now joining the points. Now these two sides are already cut. You will have to cut only these two sides. If we had drawn the square in the center of the paper, we would have to cut 4 sides. I'll now cut the square out. Our 16 centimeter square is ready. Now I am going to fold the square exactly into half. We have the folding line here. I have rotated the square and again I am folding it exactly into half. We now have these two folding lines. These two lines intersect at one point. I have marked that point. Now One by one, I'll bring all the 4 corners of the square to this point of intersection. For the next step, I'm going to flip the paper over. On this side too, I'm marking the point of intersection. Now, I'll bring this corner to the point that I have marked. Next, I'll bring this corner to the point of intersection. Make sure that you press down the paper and fold neatly. I am going to fold the sides and align them with these lines. Watch carefully, boys. These lines have to be aligned. Now, I'll bring this point down to this point. After folding all the lines neatly, I'm going to flip the paper over. You can see a pocket is formed here. The next step is to open up this pocket and flatten it. I am going to repeat the same on the other side. Again, I'm going to flip the paper over. This part will form the mouth of the frog. I have kept the folded paper aside and taken plain white paper now. Here I have taken the lid of a bottle. I am going to place it on the white paper and draw around it with a pencil. I am going to do this once more. I'll keep the lid and draw around it. By now, you must have guessed why we are making these circles. It is to make the eyes of the frog. I have finished drawing the outline with a pencil. Now, I'll start drawing the outline and coloring the eye with a black sketch pen. Boys, this paper which I am using was left over from another craft project and it has come handy now when I am making this article. Whenever you are making any craft project and some paper is left over, do not waste it. Keep it safely. You may need it while making some other craft article. I am starting with the other eye now. I have finished coloring both the eyes. Now I'll start with the cutting. And there, the two eyes are ready to be stuck on the frog. I have taken a piece of red paper and I'm going to draw the shape of a tongue on it. Frogs have a long tongue and I'm drawing accordingly. The tongue will be stuck like this. I am going to apply Fevicol and paste the eye now. Boys, watch carefully where I am sticking the eyes. Now, I am going to stick the tongue inside the mouth of the frog. Observe where I have applied Fevicol. Now, I have taken green paper measuring 9 centimeters by 16 centimeters and I am folding it into half. Once again, I'll fold it into half. Here, I have a piece of box board measuring around 1.5 centimeters by 20 centimeters. I'm going to stick it on the green paper. If you do not have box board, you may use the cover page of an old notebook or any thick paper. I have applied Fevicol and now I'll place the box board strip on the green paper. I'll wrap the green paper around the box board. Now I'm going to cut off the extra box board. The strip is ready. There is a small slit or opening here. We are going to put the strip of green paper in that slit. After putting the green paper strip in the slit, we need to press the paper down like this. As we move the strip up and down, the frog will open and shut his mouth. Our chatty little frog is ready.